In this video, I show you how to fix there was a problem streaming data. Please reconnect Roblox Error Code 261 problem. For fixing this problem, go to Play Store, search for Roblox, click on Roblox, up-to-date your Roblox app if available any update version. Now search for one on 1.vpn, click on it, install it. Now go to settings, then go to apps, then go to see all apps. Now search Roblox, click on Roblox, click on force stop, click on storage and cache, clear storage, then delete. Now open 1.1.vpn app, click on next, accept, install VPN profile, okay, not now, disconnect, connect. Now open Roblox, now sign into your account. Now I hope that this method fix Roblox error code 261 on mobile. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.